Exercise 1. Kettlebell Windmill. This move hits your abs hard, especially the obliques. Keep the kettlebell locked overhead, core tight the whole time. Slowly hinge to the side, control the movement, don't rush. Feel the stretch and squeeze in your abs. Perfect for core strength and stability. 4 sets times 8 reps. Exercise number 2. Seated reverse fly machine. This exercise targets your rear shoulders and upper traps. Keep your chest on the pad, slight bend in the elbows. Pull the handles back wide and squeeze at the top. Control the motion, no swinging. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps for strong shoulders and traps. Exercise number 3, band upright rows. This move targets your shoulders and upper traps. Stand on the band, grip shoulder width. Pull straight up toward your chest, elbows higher than your hands. Squeeze your traps at the top, then lower slowly. Complete 4 sets of 8 reps with control. Exercise number 4. Kettlebell lunges. This move targets your glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. Hold the kettlebell close to your chest. Step forward. Lower your back knee toward the floor. Keep your chest up and core tight. Push through your front heel to come back up. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps each leg. Exercise number 5, single leg kettlebell deadlift. This move targets your glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and quads. Hold the kettlebell in one hand, hinge at the hips while lifting one leg back. Keep your back straight and core tight. Lower with control, then drive through your heel to stand up. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps each leg. Exercise number 6, kettlebell swings. This is a full-body explosive movement. Hinge at the hips, swing the kettlebell back, then drive your hips forward to swing it to chest level. Keep your core tight and back straight. Power comes from the hips, not the arms. Perform 4 sets of 8 reps. Thanks for watching VidPeas. Like my video and subscribe my